Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to make an animation video for YouTube with this online software, which is awesome. So the first thing to do is to go to this website right here. The website is called www.vyond.com. So once you are here, you can sign up for a free 14 days trial, and with it you can get access to all the features that they have to offer. And once you are happy with the features, you can go on and upgrade to the paid version. So to start for free, you just have to click right here where it says try it for free, right here. So follow the process and sign up. It is very easy. So once you sign up, this is what your dashboard will look like. So all you need to do is click right here where it says create a video. And right on this page, there will be 3 different options to choose from. You can create a contemporary video or a business-friendly video or a whiteboard animation video. So in this video, we are going to be creating a business-friendly video. So click on business-friendly right here. Let it load. And you will land on a page like this. So this is the default template right here. So let us click on the preview right up here to help you see what it will look like. Let it load. So as you can see, it is very nice and very easy. And once you are done, click on exit right here. So all you need right now is to customize it to your own taste, and you can do that by changing the text into whatever you want. So I'm just going to play around with the text and show you. So I'm going to say, work with us. We are employing. As you can see, I have changed the text. Work with us. We are employing. So let's click on preview and see what we have. Let it load. As you can see, it is very easy and good to go. So to continue editing, you have to click on exit right here. So the next thing is that you can also change the characters or any other item in the video by just clicking on them. For example, let's click on this one right here. And once you click on a particular character, you will go to your upper right hand side right here, and you can replace your character by clicking here. And once you do that, you will see a lot of other characters on this side to choose from. So you can choose and replace it to whatever character you want. To change the character's action, you can click right here where it says action. And you can see right down here, we have a lot of actions for you to choose from. You can change the character's expression by clicking right here where it says expression. And you can also change the character's dialogue by clicking right here where it says dialogue. So the next thing to do is to add another scene by clicking right on the plus button right here. And as you can see, you can either choose a template or continue with the last template or add a blank template. We are going to click on add a template. And as you can see, there are a lot of customized templates to choose from. So we are just going to scroll around and choose any of the template that will work fine with our project. So I am going to choose this one right here, which says logos, with a description of give us a call. And once we click on it, you can see that there are a lot of other sub templates on the logo template, as you can see, but we are only going to use this one right here. So all we need to do is to click and let it load. And as you can see, all I need now is to change the information on this template into what we want, and we are good to go. So guys, all you need to do is to add as much template as you want by following the same process we just did to portray your message. And once you are done, you can then add your own voiceover on the video to make it more lively. And once you have put everything together, click on save right up here. And after that, you can just go right up here and download your video. And you can use it as you want. So if you want to preview the video from start to finish, just click right here and choose preview from start. And as you can see, the video played just fine. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We hope this video has helped you. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.